I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain.
Good morning. Going to Mount Bonnell to watch the sunrise with my friends on the last day of school. And I'm going to pick up Julia right now.
'Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song. Son, today it has been so long.
Good morning, vlog. Let me react again for you. Wait, read it. Wait a second.
Nothing's in my way. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I put a dress on today. I don't care what you say. And I'm ignoring my phone, so don't try to reach me. I can't do nothing for you, so don't ask, I ain't coming through. 'Cause I'm running away to my own world, that's where I'll stay.
Hey guys, come check out what I have. I'm gonna do an unboxing. Oh, unboxing. What do we have? I don't know whose muffins these are.
Julia's.
Muffins.
Someone pack me a bag of muffins.
Rad plates of napkins. Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
Regular napkins, of course. Because somebody doesn't want to be festive. 2 things of cinnamon
Oh my
rolls.
goodness.
And of course, the lovely
Icing.
Let's go!
And okay, nothing's in my way. I'm good.
Scale of 1 to 10.
I'm giving a solid 7.
Delivered. I'm gonna go with 5. It's looking like an A5, man. Hey yo, hey yo. I don't even know where I am. Oh, right there.
Thumbnail.
Hey vlog, it's 2022.
Lucy's manifesting.
May
That's her new
27th.
house.
I will be living there in 5 years.
Okay. Yep. 5 years.
On top of the world.
Hey. I want top for
You can shut up now, by the way.
Wow!
Haley's not an early riser.
It's not the vibe.
What's up, you can get back
Walking up 10 steps.
Oh my god, y'all.
I'm good.
Oh, hey again. Hey. Yeah. Did you get something? Yeah? No. Oh.
We just finished embarrassing them all, making a TikTok.
Yep. They were.
Go check it out at lucy.debonus.
I wasn't embarrassed. Actually, it was embarrassing, but it was
I got
more
a
annoying.
16-ounce iced vanilla latte. It has 4 shots, but I got it half decaf.
Slay mama.
Iced vanilla latte. Oh my gosh.
What you? Oh, you got ice.
Same. What'd you get, Emma? What is it?
It's ice. Ice mocha. Ice
Oh,
mocha.
Lord. What did you get? Water.
Water. It just.
Hey guys, we're gonna.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. We're at Little Fields and we're getting.
Going in.
Because we woke up at 5:30 this morning. We woke up at 5:30. This is Lauren. Lauren had too many Celsiuses this morning. I'm talking.
She's the vlogger.
Lucy, Julia. It's like whoa. So I drove today. And
It's just your mouth, girl.
I drove everyone and I made it here safely, knock on wood. And we're gonna be making it back safely, knock on wood. As long as the navigator is on point, which is
I was actually very on point the second part.
the second time, yes. The first time had a little bit questionable, but we made it. We made it. Because Haley is just that good. Anyways, peace out.
It's easier to love when it's you by my side.
I understand.
This is Luca Schumann. Oh, Celeste. Julia. There's that. Peace out. Ow!
Last day of seeing you! Woo! On the way to school. We've been up for 3 hours already.
If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. And if I find myself in reckless seas,
Hi vlog, it's summer, we made it!
nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave.
Say good morning to the vlog.
Good morning.
Good morning, vlog! We're gonna hike Barton Creek Greenbelt today. It's a famous little hike along the Barton Creek Trail.
At least she's telling us what we're doing, like instead of breaking sticks.
There are 2 waterfalls along the trail.
However, none of
However,
them contain water.
there's no water in Texas. So there's 2 big rock formations along the trail that we'll see.
Michael is about to yank his tooth out. Come on, man, what are you waiting for?
Come on, give the people what they want.
Do you want views or not?
Oh, your mouth is all bloody. Did you get it out?
Still in there.
Oh, there it is!
Oh my god.
Okay, we just finished walking on the trail, and now we're going to get breakfast tacos! Woohoo!
That was a tragedy, and I lost a tooth when I had a bloody mouth.
Yes, Michael did lose his tooth. He's being overdramatic. Hey, vlog! Michael, get in the frame. Me and Michael are going to Michael's to get stuff for my friend's grad gifts. And then we're gonna go visit Celeste at Sweet Caroline's.
Look in my eyes, what do you see? Feels like we're only meant to.
We just got snow cones.
Alright, so we just saw a horse.
That's so funny.
We just saw a horse. But I don't know. Like we just saw it walking up, and then I came here. Well, of course it has a rider. And I put my snow cone somewhere.
Seatbelt? Can I? Rise and shine. Good morning!
Wait, you can't technically put on makeup to go hiking.
I'll cut that out. Good morning, vlog.
We're naturally this beautiful.
We're going hiking. Well,
Walking.
hiking. We're going walking.
No, it's a hike. It's a hike.
Period!
Don't look at my tummy. Get a time lapse this or what?
I'm gonna time lapse this.
The only thing I need, look at my, the only thing I need. The only thing I need, look in my eyes, what do you see? You're the only thing I need.
Come home when it's closing time if you want to kiss.
Emma, you need a pair of sunglasses? She's got three!
Slay, mama!